Hello friends, let's learn phonics. Please like and subscribe. This is A for apple, apple, apple. This is B for ball, ball, ball. This is C for cat, cat, cat. This is D for dog, dog, dog. This is E for elephant, elephant, elephant. This is F for fish, fish, fish. This is G for goat, goat, goat. This is H for hat, hat, hat. This is I for igloo, igloo, igloo. This is J for jug, jug, jug. This is K for kite, kite, kite. This is L for lion, lion, lion. This is M for monkey, monkey, monkey. This is N for nest, nest. This is O for orange, orange, orange. This is P for parrot, parrot, parrot. This is Q for queen, queen. This is R for rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. This is yes for sun, sun, sun. This is T for tiger, tiger, tiger. This is U for umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. This is V for van, van. This is W for watch, watch, watch. This is X for xylophone, xylophone. Xylophone. This is Y. Y for yak. 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 This is Z. Z for zebra. Zebra. Zebra.